Alright friends, so final thoughts on the Comica VBM10-K2. So I just want to talk about the case a little bit. I mean, this is something that the Comica doesn't have to do, and yet it's a nice little case. I mean, if you want to put your stuff in there and carry it zipped up, this is a nice little bonus. It's definitely a nice touch. All right. So you have the case. Now let's talk about the tripod and stuff. So the tripod, you know, it's quite adjustable. Like, you know, if you want to take pretty much any position you want to put it at, it's going to get you there. So I kind of like that. It's not the biggest tripod, not a problem. I mean, it's sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. It's got these little grippers on there, so it's pretty versatile. And the microphone itself actually is a nice little, you know, it does seem to sound a little better, a little bit of added quality to your regular phone microphone. And so I think all in all, not a bad little device here. Yeah, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You could check it out on Amazon. And thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Hope it helps out, and everyone have a great day out there. And we'll see you next time.